Hey foodies, thanks for watching. Today I want to show you how to make pancakes, the staple breakfast item on like Sundays. So I want to start by preheating my pan and getting some butter to melt in it. And while that's doing its thing, I'm going to add my flour, some sugar, baking powder, and salt. And then I'm going to whisk that up. So that's all combined. I'm going to crack an egg, and I like cracking my eggs in a separate container just to make sure that there aren't any shells and the egg hasn't turned, and that looks great. And I'm going to add my milk and my vanilla and some oil. And if you don't want to use oil, you can use butter. You can melt the butter down and you can have like a brown butter, which would be really fun. It would add lots of caramel notes, be really quite nice. And now we're going to whisk that up. And at this point, if you wanted to add blueberries or raspberries or slices of strawberry, this is the time to put it in. You can also add chocolate chips or banana or slices of apple. I'm going to leave my pancakes plain. You give it a good whisk. Okay. Then we're moving over to the stove. And you can see my butter is melted. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to put one down. And I'm going to make sure my heat is on medium. And let's put another one right there. These are big pancakes. And I'm going to let them cook. There, you can see the pancakes have bubbled up a little bit. I'm going to flip them over. Oh, that's a bit on the well done side. Oh, that looks beautiful though. Look at that golden color. That one's great as well. Oh my goodness, they're so fluffy looking. It's too bad that one fell apart. That's all right. There we go, that's the last of them done. Let's put that there. These look so fluffy. And look at, like, they're super thick, they're fluffy, they're a little bit crisp on the outside, but you can tell they're soft on the inside. I love it. Okay, so I want to garnish a little bit, so I'm going to slice an orange. And if you do a nice thin slice like that, oh, that's a beautiful orange. Let's do that as a little garnish. Oh, let's do a strawberry next. Okay, perfect. And I'm slicing the strawberry not all the way through. There we go. And the reason for that is then you can just decorate that up just like that. Maybe a little dusting of some icing sugar. Oh, that looks great. And maybe a bit of whipped cream. Why not? Oh, that looks great. And a drizzle of maple syrup. Oh, that looks delightful. It's time to dig in and enjoy my breakfast. Look at the air in there and all the pockets. Oh. Pancakes just remind me of my childhood. Oh, if you're looking for the recipe, you can visit glutenfreeguy.ca. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also watch this episode and others on Rogers TV. Thanks for watching.